Welcome back to another video, guys. This one's gonna be quick and simple. It's basically if you want to add custom dynamic banners to your screen on YouTube, just as I have here, you can now just with Mercury Lab. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it set up, and then this bar in real time tells you how far you are from your goal. You can set it up to whatever you want. You can customize it, change the banner, all you want. It's locked on to our subscription review page, so you can always see and manage it from there. So if you want to get that started, go ahead and go to Mercury Labs. The link for that will be in the description below. And once you join them, you're going to get access to dynamic banner, and then from dynamic banner you can go ahead, we're not going to mess with the live one here, go ahead, click on edit on our default one. So go ahead, you're going to pull up a page or an image that you like. You can also, there's a couple of things you can do here. You can see your whole image, your safe zones are where what you want to capture. You can preview on TV, desktop, even mobile. This is how it looks. And then from here, you can go ahead and add your layers. So first layer is the background. Then you can go ahead and add layer. Let's do some text. Change that to drop a follow. Simple. Change the color of that. We've been preference with red before. Move that over here a little bit, anywhere you'd like. Change the size of it. And then we want to add a channel subscribers. You want to add at the end, total discount members, team tree or team C's, it's all up to you with preference of what you're looking to do with that. Now if you want to add milestones, you can have a custom little bubble, feature it just as this, change the text for it, the sizing of it. Let's drop 400. See how that looks? Massive. Yeah, we're not going to want that at the end, so let's go ahead and drop that back to 440. Change it. Do you want it tied to your Discord members? Are you trying to grow the amount you have, or just the subscribers? You know, we're a small channel just getting started, so let's say we want to hit 100 people and we're starting off at 0. This will show us the goal of where we're at right now. Change the colors, add that. And if you don't want icons, you want to switch over to the bar, you can go ahead and drop those, add another layer, linear progression, same thing. You can edit it, change from subscribers, the bold, the border, whatever you're looking for to match your taste. So quick, simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and if you just want to engage with the video, help out a lot, just drop an emoji or any suggestions that you think of doing for this type of video yourself. As usual, thanks for following, guys, and I'll see you on my next stream Tuesdays and Thursdays as usual.